खाओगाली, I mean world famous अचीजा, उसके बाहर वाला डोसा वाला।
ओ यार 7 पैन्स होते हैं अलग अलग टाइप के
और
डोसा।
इतने सारे लोग आते हैं वहाँ पे, वो अंकल को मतलब पेस्टर करना, मतलब प्लीज मेरा डोसा बना दो यार।
So we have this delicious spread here. क्या क्या है यहाँ पे ध्वनि?
This is टमाटर का सब्जी, दाल, राइस, ढोकला। ये क्या ठंडा हो गया है? My dad always feared शादी करके जाएगी तेरे को बोलेगी सर्व करना कैसे करेगी।
हम आ गए ना आपकी प्रैक्टिस करवाने के लिए।
यहाँ से हमारी फैमिली ने शुरू किया, बहुत छोटा घर था, 11-12 लोग हम रहते थे छोटे से। There were mice. This is a miracle, dude.
This is the affirmation prayer of Dhwani.
I am a perfect idea and divine mind. Infinite intelligence, give me what's mine. I cast all my burden on God and I go free. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
કેમ છો?
મજામાં. તમે કેમ છો?
મજામાં. Beautiful house.
Thank you.
अपनी सोलफुल आवाज और ब्यूटीफुल गानों से इन्होंने हर शादी और पार्टी को अनफॉरगेटेबल बनाया और वो खुद बन गई हैं इंडिया की सबसे यंगेस्ट एंड फास्टेस्ट इंडियन पॉप सिंगर टू हैव 1 बिलियन व्यूज ऑन यूट्यूब। फ्रॉम ग्रोइंग अप इन घाटकोपर टू द टॉल स्काईस्क्रेपर्स ऑफ लोअर परेल, ये पहुंच गई हैं अब 76th फ्लोर पर। शी इज ट्रूली हिट द हाइट्स ऑफ सक्सेस and I'm sure ये रोज सुबह उठकर बोलती होंगी, thank you God, you did a damn good job. So on this episode of Sunday Brunch presented by Samsung Galaxy Book 4 series, let's go to the luxurious home of the girl who's made India groove, Dhwani Bhanushali. साल घाटकोपर रहने के बाद अब कैसा लग रहा है लोगों पर? है
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बट वो भी बहुत अच्छा लगता था।
And fun fact, I was also born in Vidya Vihar.
Oh, same. I mean, I've studied in Fatima High School till I was in the 5th grade.
Okay.
And then I went to Ryan International, which is in Chembur.
Right.
So, plus I lived in Vidya Vihar for the longest time, till I was 24.
Yes, and I'm sure every evening you must be found at Khau Gali eating some stuff.
Haan.
True or false?
Food, true. Not every. My mother used to take me like as a treat. I basically used to come either first or second.
Okay.
जितने भी subject में marks अच्छे आए हैं, then you go.
And you eat those many samosas.
Yeah. I mean,
वाह, what a life. यहाँ का view बहुत spectacular है. Would love to see.
Every morning with my dad, we sit here and have coffee, have a chat, and like just talking about life, and I feel like he's my best friend in the whole world. We got this place very luckily. It was not in the cards at all. Actually, we were looking around Andheri.
Yeah.
One of my dad's friend told him that ye available hai. They're just building it.
Yeah.
Something that happened very cosmically. Nobody like planned.
Yeah.
Because some to suburbs sort of.
Yeah.
At 24, then you don't suddenly become a townie. You're always from.
View तो बहुत अच्छा है, but would love to see your house around.
Yes, please. This is the hall.
Okay.
The chessboard you liked.
It's beautiful, no? It's got like...
It's an Indian version of a chessboard. It was gifted by our family friend.
Okay.
And it fit right.
Do you play chess?
No.
No? Okay.
No.
You recently had world champion from India.
Wow.
As a chess player. So yeah,
Fantastic.
it's a proud moment for India.
Yes, 100%. It's beautifully placed. My mom really wanted it.
It's beautiful. And really good vibe.
Very good
house.
vibe. It's very calming. It's like a studio come setup. Because whatever you think you become, I really believe in that.
There's another thing that I know about Gujjus and Kachis is they are big foodies.
Huge foodies. I am a huge foodie. I was about 75 to 80 kilos. You must have seen it in Ishare Tere. I feel I was really into food, and that particular week I had to sort of cut it down and not eat. I was really upset. It makes me really upset to diet, but I feel like over time I've made it like a
part of your life.
Yeah.
तो घाटकोपर में आप कौन से फ्लोर पर रहते थे?
12th floor.
और ये है
76.
How is life at the 76th floor
It's
of
actually
Mumbai?
quite great. There's no noise. See, there's nothing.
Yeah.
You can hear the like AC or
Yeah.
ये आपको
But-
शाम को आना चाहिए था.
है ना?
Yeah.
बिल्कुल मैनहट्टन वाली फील्स
I
और
love that
दुबई
street.
और इवन
Or
दुबई
Dubai, like, it's
isn't
insane.
it? So how were you in school, college? Very competitive? हमेशा फर्स्ट आते थे? क्या होता था?
नहीं तो मेरी एक दोस्त थी, उसका नाम रूपा था. जब हम साथ में पढ़ते थे ना तो शी वुड रियली मोटिवेट मी एंड आई ऑलवेज हैव दैट थिंग इन माय हेड कि मतलब एक तो बंदा होना ही चाहिए जिससे तुम compete करो.
Right.
I really sort of fell into it and she would always come first and I would always come second.
Rupa basically kept you on your toes.
She did. I really feel like if she continued with me in the same, because I changed school, maybe I didn't fall off the wagon,
Yeah.
but I would have been like proper like.
Yeah.
मेरे समोसे थोड़े कम हो गए उसके बाद.
I'm very excited to know आज मेन्यू में क्या है. But we're going to do this in an interesting way. We know you as an amazing singer. आज देखेंगे आपकी drawing skills कैसी है. I want to guess what's on the menu. So I'm going to give you my Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360. Okay, जिस पे आप draw करेंगी and सेकेंड स्क्रीन नाम के फीचर से जो आप वहाँ ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं वो मेरे Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra में दिखेगा. दिस इज अ रियली कूल फीचर. दिस फीचर connects the device seamlessly and I can use the tab as a second screen. This is the tab that I have. If you want to be comfortable, you can just fold it fully. Turn it around.
Oh, she bendable.
Yeah, very flexible. इस लैपटॉप को योगा करना आता है.
हाँ, fully.
We're going to enjoy some kachi breakfast at Dhwani Bhanushali's home. She's going to draw and tell me क्या बन रहा है.
This is exactly.
We've got very far in this. Menu लिखा है और एक heart बनाया है.
This is, I'm showing you the teaser of my
Drawing skills.
drawing skills.
बड़ा.
No. If you can't guess, this is not my fault because.
ये क्या है? मैंने सोचा ढोकला ही तो easy होगा, but ढोकला is not round.
नहीं और दूसरा क्या राउंड होता है?
अच्छा, रोटी. Any roti? Is it a
हाँ.
chapati types?
Yeah.
And is it thepla?
हाँ, correct.
I love thepla.
Yay!
Yes, okay.
अरे ब्लैक देख कैसे दिखेगा एक मिनट.
Oh, square और black ऊपर वो mustard seeds.
हाँ.
ये तो ढोकला बन रहा है.
Yes.
Okay, what is the difference between ढोकला and खमन?
White dhokla is made of a different sort of atta.
Okay.
But it's rice basically.
Right. Okay.
And खमन ढोकला का मुझे साइंस नहीं पता. वो
Cooking
खाली
आती?
मीठा होता है. कुकिंग नहीं आती.
नहीं आती अच्छा. So what do you prefer, खमन और ढोकला?
ढोकला, खट्टा ढोकला. My daddy used to make it.
Oh, अच्छा, nice.
So I think it's like a recipe that has come down from
Generations.
generations.
Wow. Okay. Okay, guys. So we have ढोकला and we have thepla.
Yeah. And third.
मैंने सुना पढ़ाई में आप बहुत अच्छे थे.
हाँ बट ये थोड़ा अरे थोड़ा फिगर आउट करने को टाइम लगता है. अभी तो यूज किया मैंने.
Oh, one more round thing, huh?
हाँ. See now this circle is better.
Yeah, very good circle. Is it something like thepla?
No.
Is it vada?
No.
You can't just leave it at this. You have to draw a
But
little
it's
more,
like a
Dhwani.
small circular thing. It's crusty.
खांडवी?
खांडवी कैसे crusty होता है?
नहीं होता है. I just named all the Gujarati dishes I know.
Crusty like a samosa.
Kachori?
This is my favorite dish of all time. But I'm struggling to visualize it. Maybe like randomly cut things like.
Oh, क्या है? Gems? Chocolates? It's a bowl and lots of things, and it is Dhwani's favorite. Guys, please help me. I need help.
This looks like it's like a.
Is it some mithai?
No, it's like a sabzi. It's like
Aloo?
yeah, it's aloo
It's aloo की सब्जी.
with like it's sukha aloo.
Sukha aloo. Oh wow. And
With
sukha.
jeera.
Nice. And this is usually paired with
Thepla.
thepla. Interesting. Okay.
4 हो गए.
Yes.
बस हो
We
गया
have-
यार. अब बेइज्जती हो रही है.
नहीं अच्छी ड्राइंग की.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए
ये क्या हो रहा है?
ये drill है.
घंटी बजी है।
मतलब
कुछ नहीं हुआ है.
हमारी तहकीकात
कहीं आग लग रही है क्या?
नहीं,
76
नहीं.
फ्लोर से नीचे उतरने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा.
नहीं कुछ नहीं है. It's just a normal drill.
ओके.
एक बार तो पापा को थोड़ा सा बुखार आया था. He called in the building. 10 लोग आ गए. ये क्या हो रहा है? इंश्योरेंस वाला ये वो. I said bro, Relax, नीचे एम्बुलेंस खड़ी है.
Really? थोड़ा सा
Yeah.
बुखार आने पे.
They really take care of you.
Yeah,
It's a very
like-
good building. जब एक बार हम डबलिन गए थे, वहाँ मुझे बहुत बुखार आ गया था. सिर्फ 2 लोग आए. यहाँ पे 10 लोग आए.
And that's why you prefer.
Yeah, I prefer India.
Let's begin the Sunday brunch. Okay, so we have this delicious spread here. क्या क्या है यहाँ पे ध्वनि?
This is टमाटर का सब्जी,
Okay.
दाल, राइस,
Okay.
ढोकला. ये क्यों ठंडा हो गया है?
हमारी शूट पे सारा खाना ठंडा हो जाता है क्योंकि हम पहले वीडियो लेते हैं, फोटो लेते हैं.
थेपला. There's खमन, there's आलू, and this is कचौरी.
कचौरी. आपका फेवरेट क्या है? ढोकला.
White ढोकला.
White ढोकला.
She's warm.
Yeah, she's warm.
She's warm.
Wow, this plate feels so wholesome.
Yeah. My dad always feared. जब शादी करके जाएगी तेरे को बोलेगी सर्व करना कैसे करेगी?
हम आ गए ना आपकी प्रैक्टिस
Yeah, ये
करवाने के
practice
लिए. हम आते रहेंगे.
Yes, please.
टिफिन में क्या लेकर जाते थे आप?
मैं बचपन में सैंडविच और समटाइम्स रोटी एंड आलू एंड
Really?
गोभी की सब्जी इधर मैं दादी used to make.
Like I told you, growing up in Ghatkopar, I was surrounded by a lot of Gujaratis, and I would always love their tiffins a lot. The dhokla is so good.
It
Sorry
is.
to interrupt. Dhwani, I want to give you some food choices, okay? And I want to know what is it that you like more, okay? What is it that you prefer,
Okay.
okay? Vada pav or dabeli?
वड़ा पाव,
ढोकला और फाफड़ा,
ढोकला,
खमन ढोकला और वाइट ढोकला,
वाइट ढोकला,
खाखरा और थेपला,
थेपला,
गरबा और डांडिया,
गरबा,
मिसल पाव और सेव उसल,
मिसल पाव,
सेव टमाटर की सब्जी या सेव गाठिया की सब्जी,
सेव टमाटर,
जलेबी रबड़ी और फलूदा रबड़ी,
फलूदा,
बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स और सिंगल्स,
सिंगल्स,
सिंगिंग और डांसिंग,
बोथ,
ओके, सिंगिंग और एक्टिंग,
बोथ,
ड्राइंग.
नो. बहुत बुरी हूँ मैं. I can't.
अच्छा, इफ यू कुड टेल मी सम ऑफ योर फेवरेट हैंगआउट स्पॉट्स इन घाटकोपर टू ईट, कौन सी जगह है जो कभी मिस नहीं करनी चाहिए अगर आप घाटकोपर में हो?
लक्ष्मण वड़ा पाव, खाओगली, आई मीन वर्ल्ड फेमस.
Yeah.
अचीजा, उसके बाहर वाला डोसा वाला.
ओ यार, 7 पैन्स होते हैं अलग अलग टाइप के
और
डोसा.
इतने सारे लोग आते हैं वहाँ पे. वो अंकल को
I-
मतलब पेस्टर करना, मतलब प्लीज मेरा डोसा बना दो यार. बहुत टाइम हो गया. You know, वो story there actually. मैं वहाँ always like regular customer.
Yeah.
The first time I realized that people actually know me was when I got mobbed there. So like there was one rickshaw coming from here, one rickshaw coming from there. People are like, oh, and then they all got down, wanted to click a picture with me, and I had to literally like bounce in another rickshaw, and I couldn't have my dosa. So I was kind of upset, but I was also very happy. Just didn't get my dosa, but I was happy.
Did you always want to be a singer or did you always want to be famous? What was that thing that you always wanted growing up?
I wanted to be a singer, but I also wanted to be popular, I feel. And I don't think I've ever said it out loud. But
Yeah, that was there.
I think growing up now, when you're a certain body type or when you look a certain way, you always feel like people don't take you seriously or people are not like sort of, you're not in the group. So I think I always felt that growing up, and then I was just like, maybe if I was outshone,
Yeah.
a possibility that people would think that I'm important. And I feel like that's something that always was in my mind, and I think that's the only reason. It was like a driving force.
Yeah.
I channeled all of that positively into like being this today. So.
Yeah. Wow, but that's interesting. But you talk about being a certain body type. So do you think you were not included in groups because...
Yeah, because I feel like when you're growing up, not like you want to be nasty to other people or like kids around you, but it's like a very natural thing that comes with teenagers.
Like if you look a certain way,
Yeah,
is when you are
yeah.
welcomed in a group or not?
Or not. I felt like because I had PCOD, I always tried to lose weight and I couldn't. So there were a lot of moments where I just felt like not going my way, you know, like I'm trying to look a certain way, but I'm unable to like sort of say that, okay, you know what, I'm here, like you need to take notice of me. As girls, as women, yeah, that becomes very important because I feel like there's also like the side of us that wants attention and that wants to be appreciated and that wants other people to sort of say that, oh, you know what, she's like a catch.
Yeah.
So I feel like growing up never had that. And like there are other girls that are being asked out and like
Yeah.
they're celebrating Valentine's Day and like stuff like that. Not like I did not have boyfriends, I did.
Yeah.
But it's just that I was not, it's not a sad story, let me tell you. It's like, it's something that I feel like women go through, you know.
Yeah.
I feel like you want all the attention in the world, and I am that kind of a person.
Yeah.
I want to be the center of attention.
Yeah. Singing, how did that happen? How did you realize कि ये talent है आप में?
मुझे तब रियलाइज हुआ जब मैं क्वायर में थी तो
अच्छा।
क्वायर में मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली गाना गाती थी. आई वॉज नॉट, तभी मैं सीख नहीं रही थी. एंड देन आई फेल इनटू कवर्स में बनाने लगी थी. तब मैंने सीखना शुरू कर दिया था जब आई थिंक मैं 15-16 साल की थी. तब क्लासिकल ट्रेनिंग शुरू करी और कुछ फिर गुरु बदले. और 19 साल की थी जब आई मेट माय एग्जिस्टिंग गुरु अंकिता मैम. उनसे मैंने बहुत सीखा. बट तब ऐसा नहीं लगता था कि यार इतना बड़ा कुछ हो जाएगा या इतने लोग जानने लगेंगे. सो मच द सॉन्ग्स विल गेट लव ना, क्योंकि यू डोंट एक्सपेक्ट समथिंग, यू ड्रीम, बट टू बिकम, फॉर इट टू बिकम अ रियलिटी, इट्स ऑलवेज हार्ड वर्क इज तो देयर ओनली. वो तो करना ही पड़ता है. इट्स लाइक अ प्री रेक्विजिट. पर वो जो एक मैजिकल चीज हो जाना एट 21 इज समथिंग दैट्स
वो मैजिक ही है.
वो मैजिक ही है.
वो मैजिक
है. आई हैड पार्टिसिपेटेड इन दिस मिस कुरुक्षेत्र बैक इन 2017 इन पुणे एंड आई वन इट. एंड मैंने गाना गाया था इन द टैलेंट राउंड. I sang I Will Always Love You by Whitney Houston.
Okay.
And वो clipping my dad saw.
अच्छा.
He sort of realized that something's there. Mall में performance था मेरा एक. It was just the guitarist and me. वहाँ पे विनय राधिका उन्होंने मुझे देखा था और they then took it upon themselves to sort of mold me and सिखाना मुझे and to be in front of the camera. उन्होंने मेरे लिए ले जा रही शूट किया, रास्ते शूट किया.
Yeah.
I just surrendered to them.
How old were you when you
ऐसे
first?
तो 13 साल की उम्र से.
And when was the first time you actually felt appreciated that and you felt confident कि मैं अच्छा गाती हूँ?
Yesterday. I went for a dub and I feel like I nailed it. It was nice.
Really?
Yeah. I keep telling myself I'm really good.
You do?
Yeah, I think it's important. Na? I think one should tell themselves कि यार you're the real deal. Otherwise, confidence is very important.
You know, you also mentioned Dhwani कि आप कितने competitive रहे हो स्कूल में. You shared Rupa's story.
Yeah.
So this space where you are in currently is also very competitive.
Yeah.
तो आप हर बार अपने आप को किस तरह से try करते हो that you're always ahead of the competition? And does it take a lot of work?
It takes daily work. It's every day's work to be an artist and to keep yourself ahead of the curve. But sometimes you're not ahead of the curve. And it's not because of you. It's because a certain song didn't work, a certain content piece didn't work for you, a certain film didn't work.
Yeah.
That doesn't take away from the successes that you've had, because I feel like the artists in the world, not every song is a hit.
Yeah.
A personality of an artist is registered in people's heads, and whenever they come up with a banger, it's going to translate.
Yeah.
But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो काम ना जो डेली का है वो नहीं छूटना चाहिए. अगर वो छूट गया तो तुम्हारी गाड़ी निकल गई आगे, समझो खत्म हो गई बात.
तो क्या है वो डेली का काम? क्या करते हो आप अपने आप पर
Practice is important. Being in touch with your rehearsal. Like when we perform, I dance and I sing together. So my dad worked really hard. उन्होंने मतलब 27 साल की उनकी तपस्या कह लो, जहाँ से हमारी फैमिली ने शुरू किया. बहुत छोटा घर था. B10 अभी भी मतलब घाटकोपर में हम जाएंगे कामा लेन विद्या विहार. वहाँ पे एक महावीर व्यू करके सोसाइटी है, तो वहाँ पे हमारे कुछ 11-12 लोग हम रहते थे छोटे से. और मेरे डैड उसके पहले वहाँ रहते थे. एक चौल थी से उन्होंने शुरू किया. So he slept in a room where there were mice and with one table fan, a zero light.
Oh my God.
He has seen that time from. This is a miracle, dude. Like it's something that I've always seen him be grateful and be जो उनके around है लोग, to make them feel important. So thankfully my dad or my family in general has never made me feel like that, but the outside world can be cruel.
Yeah.
So but I never took it that way. I was just like, you know what, I'm going to make myself so big that people will take notice of me.
Yeah. So what are the kind of affirmations that you often tell yourself that makes you feel confident?
I do this thing in front of the mirror when I get up in the morning after I've brushed. I'll just like sway my hair a little bit and then I'll be like, I'm a perfect idea and divine mind. These are the affirmations I use. I read it in a book actually.
This is the affirmation prayer of Dhwani every day, which you guys can also use, and of course manifest all your dreams.
Yeah,
There you go, Dhwani.
First one is I am a perfect idea and divine mind. Second one is infinite intelligence, give me what's mine by divine right. Third one, I cast all my burden on God and I go free.
Wow, beautiful. What's the best part about your profession? What is it that you really love?
That I'm the boss, dude. That I can decide and do what I want, and that I have the freedom to project myself to show the world exactly who I am. The way you are, the people around you are going to be this similar way.
Yeah.
And I feel like I have managed to collect people in my life that are like up and about and like fun and young and like.
Yeah. Has there been anything that you actually manifested and that came true in your life? A particular moment where like, oh my God, this is all that I wanted and it's in front of me.
You know what? I just feel like I put things on paper, but जब मैं उसको specifically लिखती हूँ ना, तब वो नहीं होता है.
अच्छा.
पर जब मैं let go कर देती हूँ कि यार grateful रह के just go on your journey and be surprised, तो वो अपने आप हो जाता है. मुझे कुछ करने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. Like I feel like the more we write and the more we focus on things कि यार ये चाहिए by this kind of year or by this time, so that somehow doesn't happen because you're too focused and you're बहुत आप जोर लगा रहे हो उस पे कि यार ये तो हो ही जाना चाहिए. But when you're easy ना about it and you're living your life and laughing more and just doing your work, everything works out. And that's always happened with me. मैंने इतना जोर जब भी लगाया तब वो चीजें नहीं हुई.
You very fondly speak of your dadi, nani. What are your memories from Kutch?
Recently, we went Bhawanipur. वो मेरा गांव है.
अच्छा.
वहाँ पे दादी के नाम पे हमने हॉस्पिटल खोला.
Okay.
जो अगर बीमार पड़ रहा है तो they can come and get themselves checked.
Okay.
एक बार मैं शायद गई थी. फिर पहले हम भुज जाते हैं, फिर वहाँ से हम कच्छ जाते हैं, तो उसके बाद there's a full मंदिर thing that we do.
Okay.
एक मैंने शिवजी का मंदिर वहाँ पे गई थी और वहाँ पे ऐसा कहते हैं कि 300 मोर आ जाते हैं at one time. What a peaceful place.
Yeah, it
कुछ
is.
अलग है उसमें.
Let's play a fun game.
Yes,
मैं कुछ
please.
situations दूंगी आपको and आपको गाना गाना है
Done.
उस situation से related.
Okay.
Okay. Could be yours. Could be any of your favorite songs. Okay. A song you would sing to avoid a plan.
Oh wow, this is intricate. Song I would sing. तुमको भी है खबर, मुझको भी है पता, हो रहा है जुदा दोनों का रास्ता.
Oh, that's where it's coming from. A song you would sing if you're nervous before a concert.
I would just breathe, dude. But आजा न चले मेरे यार तू न चले. That one.
Nice. If you forgot the lyrics of any song and in the middle of the song, I'm sure that would have happened, right?
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P. Oh my God.
Have you done that? No, right?
Maybe I will. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. That one.
You know, it is a song that I would look at myself and sing in the mirror.
Maybe that one.
Thank you, God. You did a
Ooh,
damn
yeah,
good job.
You did a damn good job. Give him a round of applause.
That's a really good one.
It is.
Yeah, it really went viral. Okay, a song if you're hungry.
Calendar, khana lao. Calendar, khana lao.
Wasn't it Mr. India only?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, Mr. India.
I saw it on TV, so I don't know.
Okay, sing a song for Curly Tails.
I love you. Ooh, ooh, I love you.
Which is your all-time favorite song? Of all the songs that you have done, which is that one song that really makes you feel good?
वास्ते जावे तू मैं गवाए माँ भी दूँ किस्मतों का लिखा मोड़ तू बदले में मैं तेरे जो खुदा खुद भी दे जन्नत सच कहूँ छोड़ तू It really warms my heart.
Wow, it's a beautiful song. Do you attend concerts? आपने कभी attend किया है या?
हाँ, मतलब I just went for Diljit and some time ago जब वो पहली बार बॉम्बे आए थे.
Right.
So
How did you like it? And what
loved
did you
it.
feel?
Love him. Like I feel like I just love him.
I mean, the way the crowd really cheers with him.
Yeah.
And the thing about him is that he'll only speak in Punjabi.
Yeah.
And whether the crowd is understanding or not, they're all cheering.
Yeah. तो मुझे ज़्यादा समझ नहीं आ रहा था.
है ना?
But ऐसे ना उनकी वाइब ऐसी है कि देखते ही रह जाओगे आप. मतलब I feel you must have met him.
Yeah,
100%
yeah.
sure. And he's such a warm person. I remember मेरा पहला जो गाना था लाइव का वो उनकी पिक्चर में था.
अच्छा.
तो उसके बाद मैंने उसका एक वर्जन भी किया था और he had sort of liked it on Twitter
Okay.
and he has started to follow me also at that time जब वो लोगों को follow करते थे. Last year also वो जब live कर रहे थे तो he just added me randomly on it. क्योंकि मैं तो लाइव देख रही थी उनका और he probably saw कि मैं हूँ.
Yeah.
तो he just sent me a request and I was just like यार ये तो बहुत रात है मेरे फेस कैसा लग रहा है. And I was like no I have to do this. I have to talk to him because it's just that I really look up to him. बहुत मतलब I feel overall he has just made his life so full.
Yeah, absolutely. Who is your favorite singer other than Diljit?
Sunidhi,
Okay.
Arijit, Charmali Kolkade, I really like her stuff. There's Taylor Swift.
Okay. And in terms of travel, Dhwani, do you like to travel? And what plans for New Year's?
Oh yes, I love to travel and I'm going with my parents tonight. We're going to Paris.
We caught you at the right time.
Yes, actually, like if they didn't tell me, I would have just left tonight. I'm flying out.
Packing हो गई है?
नहीं.
अभी करनी है इसके बाद.
मैं
अच्छा.
थोड़ी ज़्यादा stress हो गई हूँ. क्योंकि मेरे
नहीं,
पास
हम
कपड़े
जल्दी
भी
खा
नहीं
लेंगे.
है.
वो तो कभी नहीं होते.
होते.
वो जितनी शॉपिंग कर लो कम है.
हाँ, यार प्लस उधर बहुत ठंडा है तो मुझे ऐसा डर लग रहा है क्योंकि यहीं पे मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरे नाक से पानी आ रहा है because of the AC. But anyway, jokes apart, I'm going tonight and 31st actually I have a show in Delhi. So it's a working New Year for me.
Oh nice. But is it a ritual कि हर क्रिसमस न्यू ईयर पे आप फैमिली के साथ कहीं जाते हो?
It is.
Yeah.
Every time in December we leave. But these days there's a lot of work.
I've of course enjoyed this conversation. But हमारा एक Curly Tales का follower है जो आपसे बात करना चाहेगा. And we're going to do a live fan interaction call on our Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360. We have Dipanshu waiting on call.
Oh, lovely. Hi, Dipanshu.
The most memorable days for me today, and I'm a huge fan of yours, to be honest. So I've been following you from last few years on Instagram as well, and I mean I have listened to almost all your songs, and I watched your recent movie as well.
You did? Thank you. It makes me really happy when someone says that.
We know that you're a very talented singer. So do you portray yourself as a complete package for the producers so that they can sign you for more projects in the future?
But I don't know if I have this thing in my head where I portray myself like that and only then I should get work. I feel like I'm good to audition for whatever role that's there. We'll sort of work for it because I feel like if one is doing a film, they need to look and be the character that is in the director's head. That's all I would say.
Sure, and I think your screen presence is amazing. So yeah, and all the best for all your future projects.
Thank you. Thank you, Dipanshu. Nice to talk to you.
Bye. So, of course, we love you as a singer and also an actor. And we wish you a very happy new year. Thank you so much for hosting us for this delicious कच्ची गुजराती meal. We totally loved it. और ये सारे ढोकले मैं खत्म करूँगी, बाकी के पैक कर लूँगी.
Hi guys, so if you're watching this video on Curly Tales, make sure you subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, we're just few thousands away from 4 million. तो 2025 खत्म होने से पहले please वो subscribe button दबाओ.